In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a common part of daily life. Whether it stems from work, relationships, or the pressures of daily responsibilities, managing stress effectively is crucial for maintaining both mental and physical health. Here are some strategies that can help you handle stress more effectively. 1. Identify stressors. The first step in managing stress is to identify what specifically is causing it. Taking the time to recognize your stressors can help you understand your reactions and formulate a plan to deal with them. Keep a journal to track when you feel stressed and what triggered it. This awareness can provide valuable insights into patterns and help you address the root causes. 2. Develop healthy coping mechanisms instead of resorting to unhealthy habits like overeating, alcohol consumption, or excessive screen time. Consider adopting healthier coping strategies. Exercise is a powerful stress reliever. Engaging in physical activity releases endorphins, which can enhance your mood. Even a short walk or stretching can help alleviate tension. Additionally, practicing mindfulness techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises can significantly reduce stress levels. These practices help center your thoughts and create a sense of calm. Mindfulness encourages you to focus on the present moment, diminishing the overwhelming feelings that often accompany stress. 3. Prioritize time management. Poor time management can lead to increased stress. Organizing and prioritizing your tasks can significantly reduce feelings of being overwhelmed. Start by creating a to-do list and breaking your tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Set realistic deadlines and allocate specific times for each task. By staying organized, you can prevent last-minute rushes and maintain a sense of control. 4. Establish boundaries. In both personal and professional life, it's essential to establish boundaries. Learning to say no is a vital skill. If you overwhelm yourself with commitments, stress is likely to increase. Communicate your limits clearly and prioritize your well-being. Protecting your time and energy can help you maintain a healthier balance. 5. Connect with others. Social support plays a crucial role in stress management. Engaging with friends, family, or support groups can provide a sense of belonging and reassurance. Talking about your feelings with someone you trust can help alleviate stress and provide fresh perspectives on your challenges. Sometimes, just knowing that others are there to support you can make a big difference. 6. Engage in relaxation techniques. Incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine can help combat stress effectively. Activities like yoga, tai chi, or even simple breathing exercises can promote relaxation and reduce stress levels. Schedule regular time for these activities, treating them as essential appointments for your mental health. 7. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Your physical health is closely tied to your mental well-being. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep are foundational to managing stress. Nourishing your body with healthy foods, staying active, and ensuring you get enough rest can enhance your resilience to stress. Conclusion: managing stress is crucial for leading a balanced and fulfilling life. By identifying stressors, developing healthy coping mechanisms, prioritizing tasks, establishing boundaries, connecting with others, engaging in relaxation techniques, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can effectively manage stress. Remember, it's a journey, and finding what works best for you may take time. However, with consistent effort, you can cultivate a more peaceful and stress-free life.